This is the world's smallest phone. Right, here it is, the Zanco Tiny T1. This is the world's smallest phone, limited edition. Now, only that it's the world's smallest phone, you can also change your voices on this. It's also got Bluetooth. It says it's got 3 days standby time, 3 hours talk time, Bluetooth, nano SIM, and it can also store 300 contacts. That's amazing. Let's check the phone out. Oh my god, it comes with cases and everything as well. All these little coloured cases, silicon case things. This is the phone. I mean, it's that small. And I can't believe how small it is. It's got 2 mics and all at the bottom. And that's your charging port. This is micro USB. So also inside the box, you also get a lanyard where you can put on there, and the cable and the instructions. Well, look at the case when I put the case on. Oh my god! Can't believe how small it is. Remember, this is a working phone, and it's that small. And also, as well as that, this is made out of plastic, so it can't be detected by metal detectors. You put your SIM card in here. Let's turn it on and see if it comes on. Let's look at that. Phone book. Messages. Call history. BT dialer. Organizer. Settings. Let's go on settings and see if we can do anything. Oh, it's got profiles, time, display, phone settings, security, call settings. Now, I think it's a good idea because obviously, because you can change your voice on this, you can do like little prank calls and everything like that. Yeah, look at that. How small is that though? I can't believe how small it is. Now, if you want one of these anyway, I will put the product link below. But I just can't believe how small it is. If you've actually seen or heard of a phone smaller than this, let me know in the comments below. And also as well, as this one's a 2G phone, I'm looking for a 3G one. What's the world's smallest 3G one? Because 2G is going off soon, so it's a bit pointless of me having this now, because in a couple months' time 2G is going off, so which means this won't actually work anymore. So people in jail won't actually be able to use these. I mean, I'll still save it, like just for show, basically. I'll just leave it for show. But they're like little silicon cases and all. Some effort's been put into that for making that. Some effort has been put into it. Like I say, look at that. You don't believe how small it is. You can't believe it's a working phone, and you're just like, there's a working phone there. It's crazy. The tap on the front there, and the battery life left. It's also got a little signal there for Bluetooth. How good's that? And this is, like I say, this is the Zanco Tiny T1. I hope you found something useful out of this video anyway, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.